Hello, and today I am going to show you my version of the Kashmiri paneer. I know it is not the authentic recipe, but I like to experiment with traditional recipes and make them easier and very doable. So this is one dish that just takes less than 10 minutes. So I'll start right from cutting the paneer in large pieces, and then I'll just sprinkle it with salt and chili powder. That's it. And this is one dish that really takes very little time but tastes great. And when I make it for the home, I don't fry the paneer. But when you're doing it for a large party, you can fry it and then do the gravy. I've switched on the karahi. And this is blanched tomato, which I'm going to run it in the mixie. My bhabhi is a Kashmiri, and a lot of Kashmiri food is cooked in their house. So it's a disclaimer, I am not an expert in this, but it is one dish which works very well for a quick and a lovely meal. So you can do this in mustard oil or in vegetable oil, but ideally, as I learned from my bhabhi, the Kashmiris love to cook in mustard oil because the weather there is cold, and so it keeps the heat, it retains the heat in the body. So all that we need is oil. This is mota saunf, and this is ginger, but cut in flat big pieces. They're not juliennes or they're not chopped. They are flat slices, and here we go. We put this and some sauce in a good amount, and some hing. This tastes great with rice, just plain rice. We have to let the karahi get heated. Ideally, you should soak the paneer at least half an hour before you start cooking. But I would like to show that it works even if you are in a rush. You can make this work. And the tomato puree is done. And we need not make the sauce brown. We just have to have the subtle flavor. And we pour in the tomato puree. So this is all the time taking part. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the tomato puree to dry up enough, that the water is dried up and it gives the cooked taste. So one should not hurry with this. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes. And here we have the coriander leaves, and this is the paneer. So once the tomato puree is cooked and the oil starts separating, we put in the paneer. And you don't, it's difficult to believe, but that's how simple it is. And another 2 minutes for the paneer to cook in the tomato puree. I'll get a bowl. I'll get a serving bowl while this cooks. And you can have a look at my cooking. And there you are. So this literally takes less than 5 minutes to cook. Great for novices and people who are not fond of spending a lot of time in the kitchen. There you are. That's the Kashmiri paneer, my style.